got?
Michaela, you can go cuss on somebody else's stream. Oh, will do. Nice, you just said surrender. Good job. Blue team is sliding up here close to the red team's base. Yes, sir.
Let's go that picture from when we posed over there in the little field house.
Oh, that is, Elise has those pictures. I love you, Michaela. Woo. Oh, I'm the game master. I'm not playing. I'm just filming them, the guys that are playing. I love you, Michaela. Just as easy as you can say hateful things, I can say nice things. Say hey.
Hey.
Hoorah. Good day, England and Finland. We're glad to see you guys. Right now, each team has 4 basically pipe bombs. Each team is trying to attack each other's base and place the bombs in each other's base. Whoever gets the most bombs in each other's base wins. You don't have to drop the dynamite. You can hold on to it. You don't have to drop it. No. Yeah. That was a no. All right, Red, you knocked him out. You might want to push up. Use that gap you just created.
Hi, Mom.
Oh, nice surrender.
Where's he at, boy?
Did you just realize he was on the other team?
He ran up and just hit the wall. Where's he at? I got him. Oh, okay, cool. Good fight, dude. Huh? Yeah, good job. Oh, that was scary.
Clear my goggles. I have to wait till the next game.
No, you can reinsert. And you have to. You got the bone, one of the bones. You just have to go back to your spawn. Looks like red team is trying to push down the left side of the field here through the This is kind of a heavy flank pass over here. So we're getting a concentration. Oh, ambush! Let him up. Oh, ambushed. Oh, my goodness. Oh.
I got you.
If I could make it rain, I would.
Are you out? All your lives?
I'm dancing.
Here, give me them pipes then.
Thank you.
If you're out of lives already. That's Sparks or Sparks. Yeah, I like that better than you. Yeah. Here, get you another spawn. Here, give you one more life. Use it well. Blue team, I got a bomb for you. You already got one? Oh, there you go, perfect.
Thank you. Go.
Might be a good opportunity to move up. Look at that teamwork. Moving in tandem. They figured out where y'all at now. I should have moved when you first got here, but I couldn't tell you that though until now. Now that it doesn't matter, I can go ahead and let that out. Here's red team's trying to push Hell's corner over here. Wow, woods are full of them. Right. Let him up. Let him up. Got you in the back of the neck, didn't he? Oh, yeah, nice. And that was going to leave a mark. Yeah. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Let him up. Good shot, little man. Good shot. Let him up. All right, that's it for the coverage of this game. We'll get back and see you during one of our scenarios.